Disclaimers: I'm not a professional financial advisor. There are probable risks and probable gains by doing stock trading and investment in stock market. Please do your own diligence. You are responsible to your self-action. You may hear words and see actions against general views and not recommended for general viewers. Parental guidance are advised. Hola, buenos días, buenas tardes y buenas noches. By the way, let's go to our stock trading and investment avenue. This video was created July 3, 2026, Friday. Okay viewers, let's do this now. We are here now in the BDO Securities platform. We are already inside of it, and you will see the interface of the BDO Securities platform. And now you'll see that trade stock portion, and you may click that one and you will be directed to another window. And now, as you see, you will gonna see all the data and all the parameters inside of the video securities. You will see the username on the top left side of the windows, and then you will also see the buy portion on the right side of the windows, top right side of the windows, and then here on the other side, on the top left side below the username, you will see the PSEI portion. That would be the what we call room for the checklist. Now you are viewing on the PSE checklist of my video securities. All you are viewing is blue chips. So I am trading with blue chips now. So, and I will show you that I'm already done with buying chips. I'm already done buying stocks. By the way, the stock that I bought is AC, Ayala Corporation, and then Ayala Land Incorporated, and then my Nickel Corporation, and then DMCI. Okay, as you see, this is my equity holdings as at the moment. My portfolio value is 30,000 plus. So you will notice that I have a few negative gain, negative losses gain losses. I have a negative now, but it's not to be matter because it is a minimal losses only, as you see. And disclaimers, I did not view all the buying process to you because I need to protect myself, my personal digital belongings, my personal data. I did not view it to you because it is danger for me to show you all my data. And also, for you to notice that I am a OFW, I'm working in abroad, and that's why the time here in abroad is not the same in the Philippines. I'm already here in Saudi Arabia. So time check in the Philippines now is 10:39 a.m. So it will be a big sacrifice for me to have a trading trading work every day so that I can trade my money in the Philippine stock market. And also for you to notice that I am not rich, okay? That's why I am here in out of country for my family. By the way, after I buy the blue chip stocks of PSE, I immediately receive an email, and then I will show it to you, the email that I received from BDO Securities. Okay? And for you to notice, you must to pause the video so that you can read or identify. I have something to tell you right now that last month I was so busy in my work here in abroad. That's why I did not make any video or any progress in our trading. For you to notice, I would like to inform you that I already reset my portfolio from 100,000 pesos. I make it 30,000 pesos value because I have an emergency for my son. I need to buy a laptop for him. I gained already 100,000 since last year, since last February, something like that. And I bought a laptop for him because it is necessary for him to in the school. So now I already reset my portfolio. I gain a new buying power, 30,000 pesos plus. And you will notice that in the in the receipt that I show you, that I receive in my email, you will notice the tax in the receipt. That's why I can approve you, I can assure you that all what I have done is good, is legal under the law. Now we will gonna go to our technical analysis so that we can analyze the stocks, so that we can know the stocks of AC, Ayala Land, DMCI, and nickel are good to buy. For me, it is good to buy. So let us find it. Why the reason I buy it all? First, we will go to Ayala Land. As you all know, that Ayala Land is already trading at the low price. It is already trading in 15 pesos. So I buy it within the range of 15 pesos per share. And it is now already recovering. It is already bounced back on the from the 52 low price, 52 week low price from the bottom. It's bounced back to from 12 pesos, something like that, to 15 pesos. So I use exponential moving average to locate the 15 pesos, and I saw the cross line, the what we call this golden cross. That's the significant reading of the exponential moving average cross. If you see that, that's the signal of buy. That's the thing I am using when I am trading. That's why I gain so much from my trade. As you see, my first target for Ali is 26%. That would be 18 pesos per share. And next target is 29%. That would be 19.50 pesos per share. Also, you will notice the RSI relative strength index is 57. And besides, I already see the performance of the company. I already see the post in the PSE Edge. If you will see the PSE Edge now, the post of PSE Edge on the Ayala Land is his book value is 27 pesos. But now it is already trading in 15 pesos. So that would be a big difference from now. Okay. If you will compute it, more or less it will be 4 times X or 7 times X, something like that. Along my analysis only, 4 to 7, something like that. The X, 4 to 7X is the valuation of the Ireland. And also, on the other hand, why I buy the Ayala Corporation? Because of GCash. As we all know, the GCash will be holding a IPO, and GCash is his mother company is Ayala Corporation via Globe. Globe is owned by Ayala Corporation, and Globe got a share on GCash. It is the major holding company, holding shareholder, major shareholder of the GCash. And besides of that, if GCash will get an IPO this coming fourth fourth uh, fourth quarter of this year, that would be a big amount for cash inflows going to AC. And besides, and most important of all, the book value of AC is 748 pesos. Now, it is trading at 450, 400, something like that, 450, something like that. When I buy 450, something like that. When I buy, because, yeah, I already buy it in 450. I get an average of 450 in AC. So that's my position. You know, I am a positional trader, investor. So I learned it through the years of experience, through reading books, through watching trading videos from YouTube.
As you see, my first target for AC is 21%. That would be 557 pesos per share. And next target is 33%. That would be 599 pesos per share. The stock is already parabolic. It's been newly break out from each channel. The RSI now is 77.
And also, it's all the same in DMCI. I buy the DMCI because I already saw that the RSI is already 13. And when you get in so much low RSI, it will be prone to bounce back from the lowest 13 as now. Through the history, it will go up to 50 RSI to bounce back. I already noticed it before, ever since, as through the years.
As you see, my first target for DMC is 26%. That would be 9.40 pesos per share. But be aware, that these stock movements are temporary. You must do cut loss if something bad downward happen.
And besides the strong selling of the MCI is good opportunity for me because it's already gone. It's already good to buy since the book value of the DMCI is 9 pesos. So we have now 7 pesos, something like that, higher, 7 pesos plus. So it is a good buy now. Plus we will have a dividend, quarterly dividend. Every 3 months of the year, there will be a dividend. So my position and plans are good enough. So I will just wait for the time to come arrive the right opportunity to sell the stocks. I am a short. I am from mid-term to long-term traders, investors. But so that's all, guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. See you next time. Please subscribe to my channel, uh, like, share this video, and also comment down below all your greetings, shout out, and also all the stock requests that you want to analyze. We will analyze it if you will comment down below the ticker. Okay, guys. Thank you once again. Bye.